Hey everyone, Vicki Parchamento here. Just doing a small testimonial on internet jet set, and I have to say that it is the first system that I was able to earn money online, my first dollar. So it was pretty amazing, and it was only after 5 days, and I've actually tried one other system, and I just started to create my online business just this past end of July, and right now it's September 2013. So I'm glad I came across this system just because it's taught by a millionaire who has been where I've been. I'm currently working 9 to 5, and I want to go where he is right now, successful online, doing what he wants to do, loves to do what he's doing, and spending time what he wants to do, which is traveling and spending more time with his family. And I highly recommend this course to anybody, especially beginners. I find there are courses out there I ended up joining that were for more immediate and expert level, and I was completely lost. So this is a good way to start your own online business. Uh, you know, I, I really, I'm really blessed that I came across this just because I know I guess I see John's passion, you know, seeing people even in cubicles, even today, and I can tell that they feel disempowered, and there's more to life than just that. So yeah, my name is Vicki Parchamento, and I'm doing the course, and I'm from internetbusinessmindset.com. Thanks, bye.